Deep in the jungle, a once futuristic BMW i8 lies forgotten, rusted, broken, and barely alive. Half buried in mud, the i8 looks defeated, beauty trapped inside years of decay. Steel meets rust. This is the first touch of revival, and there's no turning back.
Then the rescue arrives. Heavy machinery, one mission: bring the legend back.
Pulled from the shadows, the BMW i8 begins its climb, out of death into possibility. Secured on steel and hope, the journey begins, every mile closer to rebirth.
The road is quiet, but the message is loud. This car is leaving its past behind.
A world-class workshop stands ahead, where broken machines become masterpieces again. First, the truth. Inspection lights expose every wound the years tried to hide.
Technology maps every millimeter, science guiding the art of restoration.
Up close, the damage is brutal. Metal has turned to dust, and time shows no mercy.
Now the plan is set. Precision, patience, and skill will rebuild what time destroyed.
Rust is stripped away violently, and this is the fight to reveal clean metal underneath.
Chemistry takes over, breaking corrosion down, layer by layer.
Air and pressure cleanse the details, purifying the parts that keep this car alive.
The skeleton is exposed. Finally, the i8's true structure returns to the light. One shot says everything. Before decay, after progress.
They inspect the surface, because perfection begins with what you can't ignore.
Disassembly is controlled chaos, every bolt cataloged like surgery.
The hybrid heart comes out, so it can be rebuilt stronger than before.
Every component reveals its story, wear, damage, and a chance to reset.
The wheels come off, because the rebuild starts from the ground up.
Now it's just a frame, silent, empty, and ready for rebirth.
Ultrasonic cleaning brings parts back to zero.
Strength is restored. Components prepared for performance again. This is the heart repair, rebuilt carefully, because one mistake ends everything.
Steel is forged back into strength. Every spark is structure returning.
Millimeter by millimeter, the shape returns, sharper than factory.
Advanced materials demand advanced hands.
Perfection is measured, not guessed.
Refinement is patience, because paint needs perfection.
Now the body is ready, aligned and reborn.
Primer is the foundation, where perfection begins.
Luxury is built by hand, one layer at a time. The color returns, bringing identity back. Clear coat adds depth, turning paint into liquid glass. Robotic precision seals the finish. Now it cures, locking in showroom-level perfection. Flawless, deep, sharper than new. The i8 returns, reborn as a masterpiece. Reassembly begins. Every piece returns home. Vossen wheels lock in performance and style. Inside, it feels brand new. Obsessive luxury restored. Like eyes opening after a long sleep.
Your steps on clean ground. Pure presence.
From rust to royalty, reborn sharper than ever. Now it moves like a legend. Details matter. Perfection lives here.
From every angle, it's pure power.
This is the final reveal.